If you're thinking about buying your first home in Toronto, this is the series you don't want to miss. Welcome to Keys with Kylie, your first-time homebuyer guide. I'm going to take you through the process of buying your first home step by step so we can make it simple and you can feel confident when you're ready to make that purchase. As a first-time homebuyer, the process can be really overwhelming, but it can also be extremely fun. And you know what they say, you never forget your first home.
Hey, this is gonna be so much fun!
This is a 6-step guide that will take you through a successful home buying journey. If at any point in time you want to skip ahead, just look at the description below for the timetable. So the first step in buying your first home in Toronto is not to determine how much money you want to spend on the home. It's to figure out how much money you are able to spend on the home. This will really help you narrow down your search and figure out which houses are within your price range. Consider factors such as your income, debts, and any savings that you have for a down payment. Even the kind of car you drive can impact your affordability.
With a new Ferrari in every garage?
So it will be super valuable to have that initial phone call with a mortgage professional to help you learn where you stand. It doesn't cost you anything to do that. I'm gonna go a little bit more into depth with that in my budgeting and financing video, so make sure you check that one out after this. Step 2, get pre-approved for a mortgage. Once you've had that initial phone call with your mortgage professional, getting a pre-approval on paper is not just a good idea, it's a must. You have no idea how important it's going to be to have that official pre-approval letter when you're competing in a multiple offer situation. Not only is this letter going to give you a clear picture of what you can expect from a lender, but it's also going to give the seller confidence that you are able to buy their house. Now that we have a budget, it's time for the fun part, searching for your dream home. You're going to want to consider factors such as home type, location, size, and any specific features that you're looking for. So this search phase is also what I like to call the discovery phase. You are going to learn so much about the different neighborhoods, what you like, what you don't like, what you think you need right now, and what you actually need in the end could be completely different things. Now, I'm a little biased, but it will be extremely beneficial for you to enlist the help of a local real estate agent. A local real estate agent can educate you on the process, assist you in finding homes that meet your criteria, and confidently facilitate the negotiation process. It can get intense.
I'm telling you, it's intense.
Also, most agents don't even know about this yet, but I can actually give you access to the exact same database that we use as realtors. If you are interested in this exclusive access, check the link in my description. There's a form that you'll fill out and I'll send you the invitation right away. Now that you've found a home that you absolutely love, it's time to make an offer. Now, this can be a very emotional process and you're not gonna wanna be alone for it. A good realtor will take into account factors such as the local market, condition of the home, recent comparable sales, and any other relevant factors that will help you write a competitive offer that wins you that home. Now, depending on the situation, there are a few different strategies that you can implement when making an offer.
The difficulty lies in knowing what is the best strategy in any given situation.
Check out my video on what to consider before making an offer right here. So now that we've submitted the offer, your part's done, right? Wrong.
It's wrong. This is crazy.
More than 80% of the time, there's gonna be some back and forth between the two agents. A realtor with good negotiation skills is gonna help get this across the line for you. This process can get extremely competitive in certain situations, so be prepared for the emotions that are gonna come along with that. As many of us know, an emotional decision is sometimes not always the best decision. So once your offer is accepted, you may have some conditions that you need to fulfill within the specified timeline. This can include home inspection, a status certificate review if it's a condo, and potentially financing. If it's a firm offer or you've already fulfilled all of the conditions, it's time to start planning your move. Once all of your moving details have been sorted, you'll work with a real estate lawyer to sign a bunch of paperwork and get ready to close the deal. First-time homebuyers sometimes forget about closing fees and don't know how costly they can be.
You know, don't argue, just pay it.
So make sure to talk to your realtor and set the expectation. Step 6, move in and enjoy your new home. Congratulations, you're now a homeowner.
It's my home, you know?
Take the time to unpack and settle in to your new abode. Don't forget to update your address with all relevant parties such as your bank, insurance provider, and your employer right away. Enjoy your new space and the incredible journey of homeownership. So as I mentioned at the beginning, this is the very first video of the First Time Homebuyer series. So if you found this guide helpful, please, please, please hit the like and subscribe button below and be sure to check out the rest of the videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.